Have you ever wondered why a day lasts for 24 hours and not, say, 20 or 25? Isn't it intriguing to think about the mystery that shrouds the concept of time? Imagine, if the day was slightly shorter or longer, how drastically different our lives and the world would be. The rhythms of our bodies, our sleep cycles, the way we function, everything would be affected. The concept of time has evolved centuries, with brilliant minds and astronomical observations playing a crucial role. The ancient Egyptians were among the first to divide the day into smaller parts. They used sundials to track the movement of the sun, which led to the creation of a 24-hour system. However, the question remains, why 24 hours? Why not 20 or 25? Interestingly, the answer to this question is rooted in the cosmos, in the immense universe that houses our tiny blue planet. It is intricately linked to the rotation of the Earth around its axis, a journey that the Earth completes in approximately 24 hours. Yet this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other fascinating facts, mysteries, and phenomena that we've yet to explore or even comprehend. Are you ready to embark on this exciting voyage of scientific discovery? So, tighten your seatbelts and prepare to immerse yourself in the captivating world of science. Welcome to a journey of discovery where we unravel some of the most intriguing science facts that you probably didn't know. First on our list is a fact about the human body. This fascinating organism, a marvel of nature, is full of extraordinary facts that are sure to astound you. Among these myriad of wonders, one of the most intriguing is about the power consumption of the human brain. It's truly a miracle how this tiny, intricate organ, tucked away securely in our skulls, operates. Do you know how much energy our brain requires to perform its various functions? Let's delve deeper into this. Picture a standard light bulb. It emanates a warm, comforting glow, illuminating the surroundings. Now consider this, the human brain operates on only about 20 watts of power. You may find it hard to believe, but true. This humble amount of energy is even less than what a dim light bulb uses. Astonishing, isn't it? This is merely one of the many examples of our body's incredible efficiency. The real wonder is not just about the brain's low energy consumption, but what it does with it. Despite this seemingly minimal amount of energy, the brain is a powerhouse of activities. It enables us to think, to learn, to remember, and to feel a variety of emotions. It lets us dream, envisioning worlds beyond our immediate reality. It helps us to communicate, to express, and to understand others. And beyond all of this, it even controls our entire body. Yes, every heartbeat, every breath, every blink is regulated by this organ. That's less than a dim light bulb. Yet, with this minimal amount of energy, the brain manages to perform complex tasks, make us dream, and even control our entire body. Next, we aim our attention skyward, bound for the celestial realms. As we traverse the cosmic canvas, our first stop is the sun. The sun, in all its radiance and majesty, is a colossal sphere fueled by nuclear fusion, a continuous process that converts hydrogen into helium. This dazzling sphere of searing plasma is not only an immense incandescent body of inferno, but did you know it's also in constant motion? The sun showcases a fascinating dynamism that is generally overlooked. On its own axis, much like our very own Earth. But there's a catch. This rotation varies across its differing surface. The solar body's rotation is not uniform, unlike most celestial bodies we're familiar with. Intriguingly, different sections of the sun rotate at different velocities. This phenomenon, known as differential rotation, is a solar spectacle that adds to the sun's mystique. The sun's equator, for instance, completes a rotation approximately every 25 Earth days. Elsewhere, at the polar regions, the rotation extends to about 35 days. This disparity in the sun's rotational speed is yet another astounding facet of our closest star that underscores the complexity and wonder of the universe. The celestial ballet, the rotation of the sun, has a profound impact on our planet. It's this rotation that determines the length of our day. Moving on, we have a fact about the most abundant element in the universe: hydrogen. Let's take a moment to delve deeper into this fascinating element, starting from its inception. In the grand scheme of cosmic history, hydrogen's birth was akin to the first breath of a newborn baby. Just 3 minutes after the immense explosion of the Big Bang, a phenomenon that kick-started the universe as we know it, hydrogen atoms sprung into existence. This event happened roughly 13.8 billion years ago, meaning that these hydrogen atoms, in their primordial state, are nearly as ancient as the universe itself. They've been around, drifting and colliding in the vastness of space for almost the entirety of cosmic history. Yet, despite this awe-inspiring history and despite the sheer quantity of hydrogen present in the universe, an interesting contrast presents itself when we look closer to home. If we turn our gaze towards our own planet, Earth, we find that hydrogen is not the most common element present. This seemingly contradictory fact can be attributed to a variety of reasons, such as the Earth's atmospheric composition and geological processes, but the bottom line remains the same. Against all odds and contrary to what you might expect given hydrogen's universal and ancient origins, another element steals the spotlight here on our home planet. That title goes to oxygen. Let's switch gears and venture into the diverse and fascinating world of the animal kingdom. This realm, teeming with thousands of species, carries a myriad of intriguing secrets and unusual facts. Among these many wonders, let's focus our attention on a creature that's often overlooked for its simplicity. The humble. Did you know that a snail, a creature seemingly insignificant in the grand scheme of the animal kingdom, possesses a remarkable ability that sets it apart? This tiny gastropod, which can be found in numerous habitats ranging from gardens to forests, the depths of the ocean to the peaks of mountains, hides a curious secret. A snail can sleep up to 3 years. Yes, you heard that right. This fascinating creature, blessed with a home on its back, can enter a state of extended slumber that lasts years. It's a remarkable survival strategy, a testament to Mother Nature's ingenious designs. This deep sleep, similar to hibernation, allows snails to weather periods of extreme conditions and scarcity. During this time, they conserve energy, tuck themselves into their protective shells, and wait. They wait for the return of favorable conditions, for the harsh weather to pass, or for the return of food abundance. It's a survival tactic that ensures they live to see another day, another season, another year. This extended slumber is a survival strategy that allows snails to conserve energy during times of extreme weather or scarcity of food. Now, think about the last time you had a glass of water. Isn't it humbling to realize that the water we use in our everyday lives has traversed through time? This water, clear and pure, that we so casually sip, has been on remarkable journeys, participating in life's grand drama since the world began. The we drink from our taps, the water that fills our oceans, and the rain that falls on our rooftops, they all share a deep-rooted history with the world. Imagine the waters of the earth as an enormous, timeless river coursing through the ages. In this river, all water is interconnected, flowing from one form to another. The rain that falls today may have once been a part of a glacier, a deep-sea current, or even a dinosaur's last drink. Did you know that every single molecule of water you ingest likely contains remnants of the water that dinosaurs drank over 65 million years ago? And not just dinosaurs, but every living creature that has ever walked, swum, or flown on planet. It's an awe-inspiring thought, isn't it? Water molecules are ceaselessly recycled in an incredible natural process called the water cycle. This cycle, driven by the sun's energy, transforms water into its various states and transports it around the globe. The water evaporates, condenses, and precipitates, never truly disappearing but endlessly transforming. The water cycle is an integral part of our planet's climate, influencing the weather patterns we experience daily. This process of constant recycling makes it highly probable that the water you drink has been around for millions of years, repeatedly used and reused by the Earth and its inhabitants. As you take your next sip, ponder on this. The water you are drinking might just be as old as the dinosaurs themselves, having traveled through time to quench your thirst. Finally, we've got a fact about the fastest thing in the universe: light. Light travels at a blazing speed of around 300,000 kilometers per second. This speed is so fast that light from the sun takes just over 8 minutes to reach Earth. To summarize, we've learned that our brains operate on less power than a dim light bulb. The sun's rotation determines the length of our day. Hydrogen atoms are nearly as old as the universe. Snails can sleep for 3 years. The water we drink is millions of years old. And light is the fastest thing in the universe. These facts, while seemingly disparate, are all threads in the vast tapestry of science. They remind us of the wonders of the natural world and our place within it. So, The next time you find yourself sipping water or basking in sunlight, remember these facts and marvel at the extraordinary universe we inhabit.